Here's how to set an automatic transfer on Robinhood. So you can automatically deposit money into your Robinhood account by setting up a transfer. We'll go up to the account drop down to transfers. Inside of here, we'll set up a new transfer by clicking on transfer money. Now you can choose the amount that you want to deposit each time, and then from your bank account, whatever you have associated or linked, and to whichever Robinhood account you have. So if you just have one individual account, it'll probably just already be selected. And then you can select a frequency. So this would be how often your automatic deposit happens. So does it happen weekly, twice a month, monthly, quarterly? You can choose how often you deposit to the account, how often you automatically transfer. And if I set that up to be weekly, let's say it's $5 weekly, then review it. Then we can see that it will be initiated every Monday. That may or may not be the same day for you. And then you just verify that everything's correct and you hit schedule deposit. So I can schedule $5 from my bank account that happens weekly every Monday. After I schedule that, my automatic deposit is scheduled and I can click done and then go back. So that's how you can schedule those. Now, if you want to see your automatic recurring deposits, you can scroll down on this page and you'll actually see this automatic deposits area or this recurring deposits area. And you can see now I have weekly deposits set up. It'll tell you the frequency, when it starts, when the next transfer is. You can skip it, cancel it, etc. So in case you're wondering where those are, that's where it is. You just scroll down on that transfers page. That's how you can set automatic transfers on Robinhood.